right, so we'll go over that second part again. We'll go from the very beginning and connect the two, and then we'll learn the last little bit. So let's start from that second part. And we are two worlds apart. Can we reach to your heart when I say, there we go, that I want it that way? Tell me why it ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why it ain't nothing but a mistake. And then from there, you're gonna go, oh, no, we're not moving on. Right. Okay, so we'll stop there, go from the very beginning, connect the two. Let's do it. Okay. You are my fire, my one desire. Believe, there you go. When I say that I want it that way. And we, there, connecting it, are two worlds apart. Ooh. Can we reach to your heart when I say that I want it that way? Tell me why it ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why it ain't nothing but a mistake. And then from here, we'll pause. So, we just went through the whole thing. Hope you guys are feeling good. Get some water, whatever you need. And pause if you need to go forward or go back. And I'm sorry for messing up in a few places, but let's move on. So, tell me why. Mistake. There we go. And then it's tell me why. I never want to hear you say I want it that way. That's all we have left. So, mistake. Then you go mistake. This part's a little fast too. It's a little tricky. So it's tell me, like you're juggling almost. Tell me, and then you're gonna go with your right arm. You're gonna push out and to the left. Tell me why. Then you're gonna reach to your left using your right arm. Tell me why I never, so you're gonna do that with your left arm, reaching to the right. I never, then you're gonna throw up, throw up then down. And then you're gonna go back with a little body roll. Those are always fun. So, tell me why I never want to hear. And while you're doing the body roll, you're stepping back and you're kind of pulling inwards towards yourself. So here. So you're gonna do that on both sides, left, right. So it's tell me why I never wanna hear you say. Now this part is a little bit easier, which is nice. I never wanna hear you say. You're gonna do a step touch again. I want it, but instead of this way, it goes this way first. So to the left. I want it. And you're gonna point forward again. That way. You're gonna enter back. And you're just gonna, your arms, as you're stepping around with your left, your arms are gonna go out like this, like that. So let's try that again. So tell me why I never wanna hear you say that I want it that way. All right, you learned the whole thing. So let's go over the whole thing another time, and then that'll be the end. And I'll post a full video of me doing it to the music so that you guys can listen, watch, and then try it yourselves. So, all right, beginning. For the beginning, you're gonna start with your legs a little kind of hip width apart. And if you're sitting down, then you're just gonna do the choreo. So, all right, it starts like this. You are my fire, my one desire. Believe when I say that I want it that way. And we are two worlds apart. Can we reach to your heart when I say that I want it that way? Tell me why it ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why it ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why, new part, I never wanna hear you say that I want it that way. Yay, we did it. All right, thank you for joining me today, and I hope you liked it.